How to turn off voice isolation on iPhone. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the phone application on your phone. On this page, go to the bottom panel and tap on Recents. You can view all your recent call logs over here. Tap on any call log from here to call them again. Once they receive, swipe down from the top right corner of the screen to open the Control Center. Then, tap on Controls at the top. As you can see, the voice isolation feature is currently turned on. If you want to change it, then select any other option from here. For example, Standard. This way, you get more control over your experience with the device and how you use it. Following these steps, you can easily turn off voice isolation on iPhone. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.